Now we will save this in a folder. How to save? We'll give a name, for example, my bar. Okay, now this clear print my bar. So if we run, yes, now we can export data. Already we have discussed. The procedure is same. This is save, then my bar dot jpeg, then plot name is my bar, device name is jpeg, dpi is equal to, for example, 900, limit size always false, units in C, wide is equal to 16, height is equal to 9, and we'll save location. That means path is equal to P drive ABC folder. So if we run any error, there is no error. So if we check the folder P drive ABC, yes, this. So if we double click here, yes, this is our final data. So we can modify the text, color, etc.